Hey, I just want to let you know, just look at the time here. It's 12:44 here. That was the whole plan. So they influenced my decision and they got me the soup and the food and everything. The plan was simple to prevent me from sleeping because I'm sleeping on a couch, then chairs. It's 12:44 a.m. here. It's August 6th, and they're preventing me from sleeping. They woke me up at midnight, and they had people across the street talking, like screaming, literally screaming. And I told them if they can leave or I'm gonna call the police, which they left. Before that, there was a police car here, and then a couples came and they were talking very loud, and you can tell that the foot traffic is bad, and also the tone, the communication looked very fake. That was from 11. The police car came around 12 and it left at 11:48. The couples arrived on the to speak with the police officer, just in their car, was around 11:20, from like 11:20 to 11:48. I didn't say anything to them, but conflicts are continue happening. When I left the donut shop, they influenced my decision to go towards the California Fresh Market, and then they made me go towards the Five Guys. They had parties. They had parties outside of California Fresh Market, and also had parties outside of the Five Guys. Though nothing happened. They were showing me Honda CRV and then a Chevy truck that pulled into the parking lot very fast and aggressively to intimidate me, but nothing happened. They're gonna continue creating conflict. I mean, just crossing the street, getting off the bus. They had a woman sitting outside of the coffee shop, and the same woman was inside the store. No communication was exchanged. I'm talking about Lazan grocery store that I went. So just letting you know, even at nighttime, it's not enough, and they're creating conflict because on July 20th, I said dark brown pussy of Jashan, because when they forced me to poop, and they're still upset with it. Harman has been forcing me to poop since March 2024, and he knows Jashan is not Caucasian. Everything I do revolves around Jashan. I don't know Jashan like that. They're still creating conflict around Jashan. I just want to point this out. They're showing me her car nonstop every day to send me hidden messages, but they're causing me a lot of pain and suffering. I said dark brown pussy because they're causing a lot of pain, and I have infection all over my butt. They know that. I'm using apple cider vinegar for over 2 years now. I started using it in the fall of 2024, and Harman has been forcing me to poop since March of 2024. You know, um, I mean, he's responsible for my infection, Herman. And, for me to say, and he's upset. And the story that he's telling himself is that, oh, my father um, made me hate them. No, I said good things about Justin in 2024, you know, September 2024. But now he's been aggressively using her, aggressively using her against me. Last year, Santa Maria, Allen Henniker College. So even sleeping here, this is why they bought me food. I was curious what's gonna happen next though. This was the plan. So yeah, the police car, they left 11:48, and they woke me up at 12:01, and they also showing me Sandeep's mother car lookalike. It drove one this way and then back way this way. I don't know them. Today they were sending out messages of Sandeep's wife, Hyundai and Kia, if we care. I don't even know the woman's first name. I don't care. I want to be very clear. I'm saying dark brown pussy because Indian people don't like um, to be associated with brown or black, and then I'm also trying to humiliate them, cause them some kind of pain in their heart because what they're doing here. There's a lot of pain and suffering in these circumstances, and it just shows you. Even it shows you at 1 o'clock. It's 11:48 here. To sleep here, it's not enough. They need more conflict. It's not enough, and they have surveillance all over here, and they're using voodoo dolls. I know I sound like I'm mentally ill, but there's so much witchcraft involved, so much witchcraft, and they use a large network of people. Even at nighttime, it's not enough. Tomorrow, I will be sleeping on a bench, though, a hardcore bench, when I get to Solana Beach, if I take the train to a 4 o'clock one, 4 p.m. one. So just sleeping, trying to sleep comfortably at night, it's not enough for them. They want to cause pain. So again, the story that Herman is telling himself is that I'm saying these bad things because of my father. No, he's been causing me a lot of pain, and I have a lot of records though. I came out of jail and he caused me a lot of pain and suffering just coming out of jail on October 29th, catching the bus though and showing me his mother's car. I don't know his mother like that. And I have countless of example preventing me from eating. Not only he's preventing me from eating, but he's causing pain and suffering. And I told him, I'm like, hey, can you just let me go back to the college though? That was the first week of November 2025, going to Jersey Mike, Santa Maria. I have countless examples. You know, I got Chipotle and they made me throw everything on the ground at Chipotle, at Santa Maria, Allen Hancock College. That was last year. So this is going to continue happening. Hey, I mean, they're manipulating me 24/7, and I'm causing them hate, you know. So yeah, I mean, they're still creating conflict around dark brown pussy, and that's, I mean, I'm gonna continue saying it. I just wrote a message right here. I just wrote a message here. I said, and this is how I communicate on the notes. I said, Jashan's dark brown pussy, March of 2024, Harman has been using Jashan against me. Even I don't even know her. I'm causing hate in Harman's heart, using people I don't even know very well. Before 2021, I was with Jashan from July 15, 2009. Just like you're causing me pain, Jashan's dark brown pussy. People know it's true. Send as many people you want across the church to make loud noises. That message, I mean, I just wrote it in my notes. They can see that. So that was on 12:39 a.m. So I'll give up anything to get out. It just shows you, even at nighttime here at the church, they'll wake me up. They made me go to sleep for 10 minutes. It's just to humiliate me. Let them do it. Let them do it. Today he was sending me messages. Sandeep is sending me messages of, sometimes it's his mother. He's blaming people for her health issue. And today is, I don't even know the woman's first name. I don't know anything about her. I mean, we're causing. I mean, let them do it. They've been forcing me to use the restroom. Beginning of July, when I got here, they showing me Grand Cherokee and Kia before they forced me to poop, and I have it on the documented. So I'm causing hate in their heart also. Because ask yourself, why am I saying this? Why am I saying dark brown pussy? You know, I'm saying this because I want to cause hate in their heart. So these are not Tyler Perry stories here. This is real life here. They're causing, like, because just to sleep at night, and they know I value sleep. A good night's sleep is a good day. So they know that. They know they've done this strategy so many times on preventing me from sleeping. So many times. Last year, they've done this maybe more than 30 times, 30, 40 times though, on creating storylines. Allen Hancock College, Santa Maria, that last year. 2024 at UCSB though, so many times they would wake me up and just prevent me from sleeping, and I document all of it. So today, that's why they made sure I had food, because this was well planned out. I don't think they will, and they were, and at 12:01 when they woke me up after 10 minutes of sleep, they had people making loud noises. You could tell it's fake, and then they're also showing me a bike. Again, I'm causing hate in Herman's heart. That's really it is. That's the sole purpose of saying Justin has brown pussy. I got infection all over my butt. When I use apple cider vinegar, it has a burn feeling though. It burned because there's infection all over it. And they know how bad I'm dealing with the infection. 2024, I was able to throw all my clothes and my underwears and get new clothes though. So they know how bad my circumstances are. They're using witchcraft tools nonstop. It just shows you this is a good example. They'll continue using witchcraft tools though. There's a lot of pain, so if, and it's gone to the point where, hey, I have to be very creative on causing hate in Herman's heart. I have to be creative though. So so yeah, on July 20th, when they forced me to poop, I said Justin has a brown pussy. We're only doing that to cause them pain and suffering. Like, because they're doing it to me. These circumstances, like I said, they're saying the story that they're telling themselves is that I'm gonna buy a Range Rover, buy an expensive car. I'm giving up every single thing. You know, I've been through hell, a life-changing experience though. They were doing this to me, please excuse me, they were doing this to me in March of 2023, preventing me from sleeping, or they would have students at the lounge and they wouldn't leave until midnight at the Stanford lounge. That was March 2023. Communicating with students, having spy cameras in place. Yeah, I spoke with my mother about this, and I would go to the library, the public library, and sit there, leaving Stanford. So I've been through hell. That was March 2023, and today is August 6th, 2026, though. So you can be the judge of it. How long this has been going on for? They wanted to create conflict. Let them do it, because on July 20th, same place right here, I'm saying it. I mean, I have no regrets though. So yeah, let them do it. Again, the focus here is Jashan, Harman's family. That's why they're preventing me from sleeping. That's why they need to create a storyline. They've been creating storyline around this subject about on the topic of dark brown pussy every day, even though I don't say it every day. So just want to let you know. So that's the sole purpose of sending they had a police car. The couples came to make a talk very loud, and that was for 30 minutes. The police car, just hear me out. The police car left at 11:48. 11:48. Then these new group came. I woke up at 10 minutes later, so 12:01. So you can tell how driven they are on causing me pain, and this is why these circumstances has, you have to, what are the games that are being played. I'll give up anything to get out of this situation, and this is why we're really saying Jeshan's dark brown pussy, her asshole is all dark in that area. We're saying this out of pain and suffering. So it just shows you, even right now, it's 1 o'clock. So yeah, it's 1 o'clock right now. It's 12:56 here. When are you gonna go to sleep? When are you gonna go to sleep? So yeah, this is what's happening here. I don't think this will stop. Because they know I sleep at the chairs. It's already pain and suffering. They need to cause pain and suffering. That's if they don't cause me pain and suffering, it's not normal in their operations though. So I'm sleeping at the couch comfortably. They don't like that. This is not okay to them, because I was sleeping at the chairs at San Diego. So like I said, I'll give up anything to get out in this situation. This has been, I mean, it's not fair to me because I've been involved in it October 2020. So many people have came and left for this case though. Summer 2021, 2022. I mean, the first half of 2021, 2020, the second half of 2021. I mean, so yeah. I'll give up anything to get out. So many years have passed by, but this case is not arriving yet. So yeah,